Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. Alright, let's begin. First of all, before you get started with Gemini, come on down to the left-hand side, click on Settings, and then select Extensions. Now, there's a number of Google extensions that we can enable, but the one that you want to make sure you have toggled on is Google Workspace because we can do a lot with our email, with our files and folders, and even with our specific documents. So let's take a look at an example. With my cursor in the prompt area, I'm going to add the @ symbol. And here you can see we have access to our extensions. Now this is going to help Gemini realize where or what we are trying to do. I'm going to select Gmail, and then I'm going to say review all of my unread email from the past 2 days and identify the first 3 that are most important. Now, what Gemini will do is connect with my Gmail account and quickly identify what it thinks is most important. So here it has come back with the 3 emails it feels that I should review first. But better than just giving me a summary of its title and its contents, if I scroll down below, I am 1 click away from actually opening up those emails and responding as well. Now, let's take a look at another example. This time I'm going to hit the @ symbol and we're going to select Google Drive. In this case, I'm going to ask it to find the Kanban file from last year and then summarize its details in 5 bullet points. Just like we saw before, it may take a few seconds depending on the complexity of that request, so you just need to be patient. Here are the details it found in the file, along with a summary of the contents of that document. And once again, I have direct access. It's showing me exactly the particular file, so I can click on it and do more with it. So that's basically how you can use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.